Welcome to Julie's writing tutorial for creative writers. Today we're going to talk about the 5 different writing types. This writing tutorial will help you understand how the different writing types and writing elements work together in creating your writing style. This is lesson number 1. Let's get started. First up is the narrative writing type. The narrative writing type is commonly used for fiction and storytelling. Writers use plot, characters, settings, details, and structure to create a complete story. Examples of storytelling which are written in narrative style are fiction, biographies, and memoirs. The expository writing type. The expository writing type is informational. This type of writing explains, informs, and describes something to the reader. Examples of information which are written in expository style: essays, reports, articles, textbooks, manuals, and charts. Descriptive writing type. The descriptive writing type creates imagery in the reader's mind using precise words and figurative language. Descriptive writing uses sensory descriptions, similes, metaphors, and rich details to engage the reader. Examples of things which are written in descriptive style are travel, nature, food, clothing, sketches, and characters. Persuasive writing type. Persuasive writing is used to influence a reader's viewpoint. Persuasive writing triggers its readers to take action. A writer uses logic, reasoning, arguments, evidence, and appeals to the emotions of the reader to sway their perspective. Examples of information which are written in persuasive style are advertising, editorials, reviews, and essays. Purple prose writing type. Purple prose provides too much information. It is detailed, complex, flowery, and ornate. This type of writing is wordy and uses unnecessary vocabulary that is overwhelming to the reader. A writer's style is the unique voice that gives personality to their work. That style comes from a combination of the following elements of writing. Perhaps your favorite writer is Edgar Allan Poe or E.B. White, or maybe Stephen King. The writing styles of every author are framed by the elements we are going to talk about. Now, let's talk about the elements of writing. They are word choice, syntax, concision, literary devices, context and purpose, the author's location, time period, and influences. Word choice has an effect on the meaning, mood, tone, and ideas conveyed to a reader. In linguistics, syntax refers to the arrangement of words to form phrases and sentences. It is the structure, length, and complexity of a sentence. Concision is the concept of using fewer words to get your point across. Being concise makes your writing appear neat and polished. Well-written stories capture the eyes of professionals like literary agents and publishers. Literary devices are tools and techniques used by a writer. There are many literary devices. They are used to set the mood and tone, convey meaning, develop characters, express ideas, and much more. Writers use literary devices such as metaphors and similes to help readers make connections and comparisons. Using literary devices is key to developing a writing style. Types of literary devices are imagery, motive, rhythm or pacing, irony, cliffhanger, and suspense. The context and purpose for writing can change an author's writing style. If they write 2 different types of books, for example, fantasy fiction versus historical fiction, the writing style will change and develop in the context of what they are writing. Consider the age of the readers. This would have an effect on writing style. It is important to remember that a writer's context and purpose for writing are influenced by the following: their age, location, time period, the margin of readers they are writing for, literary influences, culture, and the genre they write. Please, if you thought the video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. You help my channel grow. Thank you for watching and have a special day.